This is the purple list. Number 1 is music. We go to music class on Mondays and Fridays. Number 2 is adopt. We plan to adopt a new dog. Number 3 is suggestion. Please add that idea to the suggestion box. Number 4 is adoption. The adoption was final when the baby turned 2. Number 5 is musician. The musician played in the park. Well, the kids played and enjoyed the sounds. Number 6 is suggest. I suggest we get our coats on quickly to go outside. Number 7 is electric. The electric went out and we were unable to watch TV. Number 8 is electrician. We called an electrician to come to figure out what was wrong with the TV. Number 9 is attract. Flowers full of pollen will attract bees. Number 10 is attraction. Metal objects have an attraction toward magnets.